Galera, já estamos aqui na fábrica da Altak, vamos retirar o material. Modelzinho aí. Vamos lá. Aí galera, adesivinhos na mão. Só ir pra casa agora. Pronto, galera, chegamos aqui na Factor X, onde será feita a magia do carro. Vamos lá, que eu vou tirar as coisas do carro agora e vou mostrar pra vocês aí como que vai ser.
Taste codeine when I burp. It feel like a nigga curse. Been a while since I went to church. Had my pain and tears in the verse. Don't nobody understand me. Fuck some fame, fuck a Grammy. Wish I could go be with my granny. Sacrificed it all for the family. I smoked a blunt and went to Saturn. Pockets keep getting fatter and fatter. I'm home alone inside my castle. Frank, you a dope selling bastard. She swears she love me, but I don't believe her. Should I stay or should I leave her? Ran off on the bitch like a cheetah. I'm sick of counting millions. I need me a billion. After that shit, I'm done. Boy, on the cash, there you're done. In a fake world full of fake love. Fuck a bitch, all I need is my drugs. I need a Aladdin magic rug. Scrap with my 4-5 with 30 slugs. This bitch worth some as hell, goddamn. I'm doing a whole 200 in a lamb. This bitch worth some as hell, goddamn. Bitch, you must don't know who I really am. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Gone. Bitch,
the big man. She figure nigga but started repeating. Thinking about ownership, might start a beat. Hey, that nigga be all in my beat. My bitch stay loyal, so I follow some inches. Saw me a chopper for niggas with pinches. Stuck in the booth and I got out the kitchen. I'm packing the hood just like Mooch and Trippin'. I went down broke, but I had to go fix it. Fuck a rap nigga, I ain't got no kick. I been going crazy. Niggas ain't hearing shit cause they be lazy. So they look like I'm born in the 8. Don't want me to have it, but I'ma go take it. I been going crazy.
I'ma do I hear her never told you keep her fly. She might get a Chanel purse if I hit it tight. She don't want no lame niggas, she like drug dealers. Her pussy ain't for broke niggas, she like